guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing Amazon packages. So this first package is my package because it says my name on it. So let's open it. Okay, so let's unbox it. I have an A Doorbell camera. I'm going to unbox it. So in the box, you have a doorbell and a doorbell speaker. So let's take it out. So me and Dad are going to install this. So let's read the instructions. We just installed the doorbell so we can see people outside when we talk to them. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Please follow my sister on TikTok. Also subscribe to me to Josh for Cigar's awesome videos. And Josh is out. Peace.